Solid advice about how to make money online that will benefit everyone. Every time you read comments on a blog, news video and other online media, there are bound to be a few comments about how to make money online. However, the safest and most lucrative ways to make money online are not advertised so frequently. Keep watching to learn about legitimate ways to make money online. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. There is a growing industry of tutoring other people. If you want to work at home and use your knowledge, tutoring may be for you. Tutor Vista is a great site to use if you want to do this. If you find success in this, you might open a few doors for yourself. As stated above, you have probably seen many offers on ways to make money online. Most of these opportunities are actually scams. But, there are tried and trusted ways to make money online, as well. Follow the tips listed above to find the work you need on the internet. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.